Silent Pro Enso 1225mm remote control ceiling fan in the color Ballerina Pink. The product comes in 6 color variants as All White, Ballerina Pink, Charcoal Grey, Mist White, Silk White, Brown and 2 style variants Silent Pro Anti-Dust. Crompton Silent Pro ceiling fan is designed to offer superior air comfort with a noise level of quiet home. Silent Pro operates at 52 decibel, making it twice more silent than its conventional counterparts. The aerodynamic blades and seamless design of the blades is modeled to ensure high air delivery. Sleep timer enables the fan to remember its speed before switch off and runs on the same speed when switched on. The ActivBLDC technology is designed to work efficiently between a wide voltage range of 90 voltage to 300 voltage with a high power factor of 0.98. Energy efficient, 5-star rated, this fan ensures 50% saving on your electricity cost as it runs on 42 watts, saving you up to Rs 1,440 per fan annually. It is equipped with an enhanced safety feature which includes a safety wire that prevents a fan from falling in case of improper installation or wearing of fan parts over time. The remote control feature makes it a lot easier to operate the fan while pointing the remote anywhere. Multi-pairing system makes it possible to simultaneously operate fans with the same remote. The mounting type of the fan is down rod mount and it is made of plastic material. In the box, you will find one fan motor, one bezel set, one down rod, one hand remote, pair of canopies, shackle assembly kit, balance blade set, instruction manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.